If you're running out of space on your main drive, or you simply want to keep your games better organized, this video will show you exactly how to change your game download location and move existing games to a different drive. This is a simple fix that can save you a lot of storage headaches, especially if you install large games often. If this tutorial helps, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and gaming tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your app or game launcher and head to Settings. From there, click on Storage. This is where you manage where your games are installed and stored. Once you're in the storage menu, look for the plus icon at the top. Click the plus icon, then choose a different drive. This will add a new library folder or storage location depending on the launcher you're using. If you have an extra SSD or HDD connected to your PC, this is where you select it as a new destination for future downloads. After adding the new folder, you've now set up an additional download location. That means new games can be installed directly to that drive instead of filling up your main one. This is especially useful if your primary drive is a smaller SSD and you want to keep your larger games on a secondary drive with more free space. Now let's move your existing games. Go back to the storage menu and select the drive where your game is currently installed. You should see a list of the games stored there. Check the box next to the game or games you want to move. If you only want to move one title, select just that one. If you want to free up space quickly, you can move several games at once, as long as your launcher supports it. Once you've selected the games, click Move. The launcher will ask you to choose the new drive. Select the drive you added earlier and confirm the transfer. At this point, the game files will begin moving from the old location to the new one. Depending on whether you're using an SSD or an HDD, the process can vary quite a bit. Moving a 100 GB game on an SSD usually takes about 2 to 5 minutes. On an HDD, it may take 15 to 30 minutes or more, so be patient while the transfer finishes. During the move, make sure your computer stays on and avoid interrupting the process. Once it's complete, your game will now run from the new drive, and your original drive will have more available space. If you want, you can repeat the same steps for other games, or return to storage anytime to change download locations again in the future. And that's it. You've successfully changed your game download location and moved existing games to a different drive. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.